Sanbonani, football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong Sikamalambong Nkosi. Please help me grow this channel by liking or subscribing to the channel. And to those that have already subscribed, please don't forget to like after watching the video. Tango. Kodwa wayayisho lento le nomfoka Rulani Mokoena wathi empires, they don't just collapse, they dilapidate. Bit by bit, the little things that we take for granted, they are the ones that can take us a long way in achieving our goals. We have three biggest problems in Echorena. One, it is discipline. Two, it is unity. And three, it is indecision. Management, players, and the coaches or a technical team, they all have a role to play in how Kaizer Chiefs is performing recently, in how things are happening and how bad things are for Kaizer Chiefs currently. All those people are involved. Okay, let's start by indecision. Indecision will blame the coaches, because especially from the game that we played yesterday with the Stellenbosch, we knew very well what kind of a game that we're going to play, and we knew what type of players should we select so that we can try to get a win, so that we can advance to the next stage of the competition. Yabo. But let's talk about the incident of Untwari, and let's talk about our coaches, about our subs. Incident Untwari, I think for many people, obviously, it is the one that came as a surprise, because he gave his all and he proved that when given a chance, he grabbed it with both hands and he made the most out of that opportunity, despite not saving penalties, because he saved one, but maybe he could have saved two or more if they didn't do what they did to him. Because I think that one factor that I think brought his confidence down, especially when it was the penalty shootout. Such decisions, you can take it lightly, but to a confidence of a person, it cuts deep, because he will feel like he's betrayed, or he feel like he's not trusted enough that he can save the penalties. So I can't blame the coaches much, but I will blame them, because we don't know what did they prepare as a technical team, because you could see with that sub, when they made it, everyone was in sync. They agreed with Ayenze. But the only people that didn't know was the goalkeeper, the management, and us as a fans. Because it can happen with Ibona, they've decided on their own, okay, if this game goes to penalties, we have to sub Untwari and bring on Uvuma. Uvuma, yes, we know his penalty records are not that good. Because the only time I saw him saving penalties, it was against Marumo Galanskui Kufa Cup, I win, because he saved 2 penalties. But other than that, I haven't seen him making many huge saves, especially with my penalty shootout, because it all started on that final that we played in Nedbank Cup, sadly with TS Galaxy. After Lapo when we go to our penalties, we know very well we die. Zos Kalela, because he has a tendency of diving into one side. But we don't know Guti when they are on their own on the training sessions. We don't know how do they assess how these goalkeepers perform, because it may happen to Elias Muzwaki. Yeah, I knew maybe Upfros stood a chance compared to Fiacre Ntwari. But Ntwari was saving penalties with TS Galaxy. The reason something because on the same competition, they knocked out the Mamelodi Sundowns because of my heroics Ntwari. But now Segmela save achieves Segmela sub. Yes, Yona Iplungu, but nami if I was in his shoes, Benga Kolos, because I had a good game, there's no need to sub. But on another hand, it was a matter of discipline. Because it doesn't matter what you are having a good game, but if your superior is saying I know that awuthunje uzohlala la ebhenjini kancane sichinje, you are supposed to uvume ukuthi yenzeke lo sub, because you don't know ukuthi bona baplayne kanjani, ukuthi according to i-performance analyst uYusha Said, uVaken Gotse no Mark Dave, ukuthi bona mababheka ama-penalties babona ukuthi these are the kind of players that Stellenbosch will use to take these penalties. So we need a type of a goalkeeper that can, okay, nanoma dive esideni eliwani uvuma, but it can happen ukuthi angabuya nathu, because uMthwari saved the first penalty but lawo amanye bamlahle wonke. So you could see ukuthi kuningi bekwenzeka laphana. It's just nje ukuthi it's unfortunate ukuthi we lost, but if you won bengeke sikubheke konke lokho. So sesekuyo indaba indecision. We know ukuthi as a coach, your responsibility in a club is to bring results, is to influence the game and encourage. But in that situation or incident of Fiacre Ntwari, were the coaches influencing the game? No. Were the coaches encouraging Ntwari? No, but they were bringing his confidence down, because this player spent a lot of time without playing. So his first game, he keeps a clean sheet in 120 minutes. So that's count for something for anyone who didn't play for so long. Because they did say, okay, Black Label will be a competition for Ntwari and Vuma if we did advance. Because maybe it was a case of, okay, we see that it can happen, which will get knocked out. So let's try to bring another goalkeeper, at least naye azodlala, so that lapho kuzoba ne-fair chance. But it was late. Even ama-subs wakhona, still indecision. Yes, this thing of us, ama-fans, with every time when we feel like the team needs to make subs, we signal ukuthi, hey, ref, a sub. This time they've decided ukuthi bashaye nge-current, ukuthi bangayingeni indaba yethu. But this time it was the perfect time ukuthi basinake, because at that time i-team bengaperform. And we needed people that are still fresh, that have fresh legs, that can still run on Stellenbosch. But they didn't took that into consideration with Bashama subs, because isikhathi besesambile vele. Pule mode was already exhausted. Yes, bafagile Morris. I don't blame that stuff. But if it was earlier, it could have benefited us, because bozo shifter to Prizumise ngapha ga left as a winger, faku Morris phakathi, and then ngale 15 minutes esele we still continue, because we will have a variation of attack whereby which will be putting crosses, will be cutting inside, because the speed is cut to praise was going to be vital in us with this ukuthola that goal. But another thing that you have to question ukuthi the squad that they've traveled with bese ngekho that effective, especially from the bench. You needed a striker that has played. Morris didn't play for the longest of time. I don't know ukuthi wagcina nini ukuphika isport, yet you decide ukuthi akashaya penalty. How come? Ulishaya kanjani penalty? Wagcina nini ukuphika isport lo muntu? Playing a competitive game. So izinto ezithi azibe kanjalo, because they are costing the club, and there are little things that you need to pay attention to. Those little details. That's why with a game like that was a game of small margin. That's why we ended up saying my penalties, because if we did better, we could have won open play. So, which takes me to the fact, Tuguti, these coaches, Mina, to be honest, they are not bad, including Coach Nasreddin was not bad. The problem is the environment that they are in. It don't allow them to flex their tactical acumen, because of the kind of environment that they are in. We have many players that are rigid, many players that don't want to exceed their limitations. We have players that have bad attitude towards the game. Players that when they play as if they know, okay, it doesn't matter, we win or we lose, we're still gonna get paid. But for coaches, it becomes difficult, because we'll blame them. But another thing we have to understand, these type of players that we have, are they really fighting for a badge, or they are just playing? Because this thing, I want it to lead me to my next point, Uguti. Let's talk about unit in the team. There's no unit in the team, from the board to the players. Management angeke izwe ngabocoach. Abocoach bathi nathi angeke sizwe ngemanagement. Ama-player abana bathi angeke sizwe ngabocoach. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuzenzela into yakhe. And that thing, it is the one that will cause a division amongst us as a team, from the board to the players. There was a moment whereby we played iKapu Skop le Angola. Marco was backchatting uMiguel, and obviously the coaches. Kwathuleka uyabuya ke manje. Cele did the same thing wayenza kubo coaches. So if you don't respect the coaches, how come will you die for the coaches? Because it seems like with the kind of leadership that they have, you don't feel like as if they are worthy of leading you as a player. So that's why it will become difficult for the coaches to get the best out of these players, even though they will try nabo ukuthi basikaye, but they won't, because there's that thing that lacks, that inferiority ukuthi hey siyamsaba lo muntu lo, but ayikho leyo nto. So dingeka icoach enaleyo nto leyo ukuthi noma uyibheke ukwazi ukuthi lena yincane. But for the fact ukuthi these two coaches are co-coaches, it becomes difficult even for them, because they know very well that they have equal power. If Ukazi can decide with let's play 3-4-3, and then athi uKhalil Ben Yusuf no asihlali 4-3-3, eliphi ilizwe emele lithathwe? To be honest, kuyothathwa likabani? Which final weight will be taken? That's why sabona ukuthi uVusumuzi, uKanu, uVilakazi and uAdazwane, when they were both appointed as co-coaches, uKanu wavele wayehla lenqola vele wathi mina ngiyasidilika lesitimela, because he knows ukuthi akukho lula, because you might have better plans and better ideas, but if they clash with your partner, it becomes difficult, because ngenzeka iplan lakho li right, but manje ngoba lona akafuna ukuhlulwa uwe sekuba nzima. So sese kuyindaba unity, unity. We see every week players being selfish in front of the goal post. We see players delaying attacks. We see players showing tantrums towards each other. We saw Lilepo on the game we played versus Stellenbosch. He was very angry to my good. Why ungaliganga le bola leli? Because it was a cross from Shabalala, but Umay wasn't in a better position ukuthi angakora, because bekumela generate power and le bola beli phezulu kunaye, but uLilepo was in a better position. So kusho ukuthi emqondweni kwaLilepo bakunalento leyo ukuthi alojwayele vele ukumosha izinto, so vele ngifuna ukumbonisa ukuthi lento azenzayo, so already say divided the team. So lokho kusitshelana ukuthi kusazoba nzima ukuthi siye phambili, because in terms of a discipline, the moment no Oxnay was called ukuthi indoda esiyakusaba manje, is told ukuthi azaphuma. So if ubona omunye ayenza uyibona kwinde right, now uyayenza. So you can see ukuthi inkinga zethu ziyanda kancane kancane. Iviki neviki kuba ne incident that shows ukuthi no, i-team yethu is divided. So manje let's talk about a discipline. A discipline from the players, and it is the one that will cost us a lot, because a discipline is not only about kutumamela my instructions, but when as a player we have to be tactical disciplined, mentally disciplined, so that it can be easy for you ukuthi ukwazi execute each and everything le abakunika yona. So it is important ukuthi in this situation masifakele ibuko kanje, makhamba isikhathi iyohambe ifike, because we knew ukuthi our coaches were coming and going, and we know ukuthi management nayo inesandla. But what is important ukuthi from here where to siyoyapi, because siya ku international break now. The international break simply means ukuthi we have to sit down as a team, and then we will discuss ukuthi sizoyenza njani, because at least it was easier, because we thought ukuthi there was only one player like who represent a country, but now they've called Umdoda to replace Mfukeng. So if they can decide ukuthi bachincha izinto while angekho, masekabuya already uzoba left out. So yabona ukuthi isikhathi sesiyashaya manje, phinde futhi sesiyoshawa na planning no prepare. So I don't know what do you think about this situation, but I think kukhulu okuzazi sabona okuncane. Even though our team is playing ibhola le right, but the difference is that the players that seems like they are serious are the players that are playing at the back. The forward players are the ones that don't take us seriously, because u-Ox siyambala kuma defensive players, including the back four and the goalkeeper. But from an attacking midfielder, to an 8 to a winger, a left winger, a right winger, and also a striker, that's where the problem start. Because even when we attack, we won't see any purpose in how we attack, because there are no repeated patterns with, okay, this thing we are doing it is ijwayele, so ze silithole igoli. But isilokhu siyayenza into sithi yobona phambili, and masifike eboxini ngathi ibani ziyacima. So I don't know what do you think, but I think this is a serious matter. If nje asisukumeli, asisozithola sisenkingeni. So ngiyabonga for ukubukela ivideo, ungakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe if awukaka subscribe. Dango.